Hello, guys. Welcome back to Stacking Stocks, and thank you for tuning in today. We have more informative content on AMC stock. Are you ready for today's session? Today, we'll give you updates from AMC Entertainment. We have 3 AMC updates: AMC accepting Dogecoin, AMC investors suing board over $1.2 billion Carmike acquisition, and AMC stock September sell-off. AMC Entertainment has constantly been in the spotlight lately. Let's find out why the theater chain is currently trending. For starters, we found out that AMC Entertainment could be accepting Dogecoin at theaters quite soon. The decision to accept Dogecoin as a form of payment came after a positive response from some of their consumers. Most consumers voted in favor of the concept. Well, it seems like the movie theater chain is set to accept Dogecoin, but the question is, how will it do that? Is there any strategy in motion for the new initiative? Stay tuned. In recent months, Dogecoin, which is a meme token, has experienced a surge in popularity. More people are joining the bandwagon. With billionaire Dallas Mavericks owner Mark Cuban and Tesla founder Elon Musk among its prominent backers, what would stop anyone else from jumping on the Dogecoin train? It's probably why AMC is also looking to add it to its form of payment. We have established that a single Dogecoin is currently worth about 22 cents, an increase of more than 8,000% over the last 12 months. With Dogecoin performing very well, having it as part of the company's payment method is a smart move. Why do we think so? It's very likely that many investors are going to jump on the Dogecoin ship. AMC accepting Dogecoin seeks to attract the latter crowd of investors. AMC has signaled an openness to cryptocurrencies as a form of payment as it looks to turn around its business during the COVID-19 pandemic. The movie theater chain has already announced plans to accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash for online payments starting later this year. We believe that the company will also have Dogecoin among the list of forms of payment. AMC seems to be progressing well with its new initiatives. These initiatives will definitely help the movie theater chain recover from the negative impact of the pandemic. However, there seems to be a setback in AMC's plan of recovering from the massive decline in the recent past. Have you heard that AMC Entertainment Holdings Inc.'s board has been hit with a derivative suit in New York federal court challenging the company's handling of litigation over its $1.2 billion acquisition of Carmike Cinemas? One of the movie theater chain's investors sued the board members on September 16th after they refused a demand to independently investigate claims made in a securities fraud class action over the deal. For a company on the verge of economic recovery, such negative publicity is bad for business. Such news tends to scare away consumers as well as investors. Without consumers, the theater chain will incur a significant loss, which means that investors won't be confident in the stock. Are you wondering what the purpose of this suit is? One of AMC's investors filed a suit because the board has constructively and wrongfully refused a litigation demand, which is intended to protect the company. The investor is looking to rectify the wrongs detailed herein and hold the wrongdoers accountable for the damages they caused AMC. Well, we can see how much investments mean to some investments. AMC ought to rectify this if at all the claim is true, but for investors, the truth is not as important. At the end of the day, the suit has a negative impact on the company's share price. You're probably wondering how this suit came about. AMC announced in March 2016 that it would purchase Carmike, making the combined company the largest U.S. theater chain. The purchase price was later upped to roughly $1.2 billion. The deal closed after AMC agreed to the Department of Justice's requirement that it divests theaters in certain markets. The derivative suit came after the movie theater chain was sued in 2018 for allegedly failing to disclose information about Carmike's financial struggles. The 2018 suit survived a motion to dismiss and was certified as a class action in March, but the movie theater chain has since denied wrongdoing. It's not easy to fault any party at the moment until the court decides on the matter, but either way, the suit isn't good for AMC's operations. There is more to this case than we can tell at the moment, but we will keep you posted on any developments from the court. Our final update today on AMC is about the September sell-off. Are you an AMC stockholder? Are you holding on to your holdings, or did you sell them? We have established that most investors sold off their shares in September. In the week beginning from September 20th, the theater stock took a far larger hit to its value than the broader market. AMC Entertainment showed significant weakness in the face of economic uncertainty. We believe that meme investors are talking tough about holding on, but can they stomach a real downturn? We can't say that the movie chain is about to crumble, but most investors are worried about its valuation. How is AMC stock performing in the stock market? What is AMC stock's current price? September 20th was the beginning of AMC's woes. The S&P 500 suffered its biggest one-day plunge since May as the downdraft sent most stocks tumbling lower. Interestingly, battleground stock AMC Entertainment performed much worse than the market by dropping 9% when the broader market was down just 2%. What could have been the reason behind AMC's dismal performance? It is because the theater operator's stock price has been inflated far beyond a fair representation of its business fundamentals. However, there seemed to have been a turnaround during the past Labor Day. We observed that AMC achieved important milestones with attendance exceeding pre-pandemic levels and admissions revenue breaking the U.S. record it set in 2013. Despite the market sell-off and the theater operator's outsized plunge, is AMC Entertainment stock safe over the long term? Let's find out. AMC's recent revenue decline has made investors ponder whether investing in the stock is a good idea. As much as the stock has been posting poor results, there has to be an upside to the company's recent operations. Everything isn't that bad as some investors might think. Why do we say so? AMC has become the poster child for the meme stock craze that began in 2021. Even though its stock is down 45% from its all-time high set this spring, shares are still 1,700% higher today than January 1. However, AMC has lost more than a fifth of its value during the month of September as fears of a downturn loom large. If China's largest, most indebted property owner defaults on its debt payments, domino effects could be felt worldwide. The movement towards recession is the last thing the theater operators need right now. Would you still be confident in investing in the stock if the decline becomes consistent? We believe that many investors would rather shy away from AMC stock if things don't change. The movie theater chain is currently selling tickets at prices more than 12% higher on average in 2021 than they were in 2013. The attendance remains in decline. Prior to the pandemic, attendance had fallen from 1.34 billion admissions in 2013 to 1.24 billion in 2019, a 7% decline. As you can see, we can't entirely blame the pandemic for AMC's woes. While there were a few years in between that saw some spikes, no year reached that 2013 height. Did you know that attendance is down 20% overall since the high watermark of 2002? And it will continue declining, possibly at an accelerated rate because of streaming video's prevalence. What do you think is the rationale behind this expectation? Even with Disney agreeing to a 45-day window of exclusivity for theaters for the rest of its 2021 movie lineup, the proliferation of streaming video services will continue to eat away at theater attendance. We believe that many people got comfortable with streaming videos from the safety of their houses during the pandemic. Do you think it will be easy to get them back to the theaters? That remains to be seen. We will keep you posted on any developments. Once again, thanks for joining us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.